In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite Chapter 7 crashing on your PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying if, it's crashing whenever you try and open it up, or you might be mid-game. This could be because of your rendering mode. For example, you might be on DX12, so then you would want to switch to performance mode, or you might be on performance mode and you want to switch to DX12. So what you want to do is, once you're on the Epic Games launcher, don't open up Fortnite yet. What you want to do is go to your library, scroll down until you find Fortnite, press these three little dots, go to options like so, then just make sure you have only what you want downloaded. So if I don't need Play Save the World, I don't want that downloaded. Also, don't download high resolution textures as well, because that could definitely add to crashing. Where it says pre-download streamed assets, you definitely want to enable that too. Now, another thing that you want to go ahead and do is press these three little dots again, press manage, and then you're going to see verify files. It's basically going to check all the Fortnite files that are on your PC and see if there's any missing, or if there are any that are corrupt, maybe they didn't get installed properly. So definitely wait for that to go through. Now you're going to see launch options here, and launch options can be very useful because it can launch your game in a certain way. So what I would recommend doing, if you're on DX11, you could try and force DX12 to launch. So for example, if your DX11 is crashing whenever you go ahead and launch it, what you can do is do dash DX12 like so, and then just launch the game like that. However, if you're on DX12 or anything like that, you can force performance mode every time by going dash D3D11 and then launching the game that way. Also, if your game freezes on like the initial loading screen, what you can do is do dash no splash like so. Wait, I can't type. Yeah, just like that, and then that should also help. And if there's any GPU error or anything like that, what you could also do is the final one I'd recommend, which by the way, you could just like put a space in between each of them and they would all count. Just do dash disable GPU crash debugging like so. So just type that in and that should definitely help as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on the channel too.